2 days back, Bengal Chief Minister had written on social media regarding a case of a...
Look, that is a judicial process, but state government has already recommended that cases against Kosh Rajbongshi should be withdrawn, and that process is on, I think, and that person's advocate is also he has an advocate. He should have informed tribunal that he belongs to Kosh Rajbongshi and government has a withdrawal notice. The advocate did not pleaded his case. He has a advocate of a different kind. That advocate did not convey to the court that this person belongs to Kosh Rajbongshi community, so cases should be withdrawn against him as per government OM. But both the advocate, he has two advocates. I have taken the papers. Both the advocate did not inform the court that he belongs to this community, and state government has already taken a decision to withdraw the case. So my lord, please withdraw the case. His case would have been withdrawn. So that process he has not done, although he has an advocate. And he is not a citizen of Bengal, he was a citizen of Assam. He is temporarily, he has gone, he was a citizen of Rihabari, now he has gone to Bengal.
ওখানকার নাগরিকরা বলছেন যে ওরা 5 পুরুষ ধরে এখানে বাস করছে। কোথায় আসামে গেল, জীবনে কখনো কুচবিহারের বাইরে পা দেয়নি, অসমে যাওয়ার তো প্রশ্নই আসে না।